we got to start by disconnecting the battery.
And it's not straight.
Disconnect a bunch of wires.
Yeah.
We pop this out. Twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn. Alright. And to take the air box, we just pull.
I got a confirmation, by the way, from finally.
Look how much space that makes for activities.
Dude, go like this.
I don't need this right now. So, the hardest part of the job is removing these big bolts right here. I think they're 17s. So before you start taking things apart that way, you want to make sure you can take these off. So now these two are the easiest one. The two in the back, on the other hand, they kind of don't like to break loose.
It's that one right there. Right where my shadow is.
Yeah, that's the upper one. There's a lower one.
And there's a lower one, you gotta go. Nope, can't see the lower one. Ooh. Boom. And then finish her off with class. Nice. So what we did here was
MacGyver.
3/4 to 1/2 inch reduction, you know, because sometimes it's too big, it won't fit. And then we got an extension, a 3/4 to 3/4. If you have a 3/4, I mean a 1/2 inch to 3/4 is even better, but we only have this at the moment. And then we put an adapter again, 1/2 to 3/4 back up, and the bad boy. So this is perfect. Jerry rig it. Put it in by hand first. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then hold it together. Maybe 5 degrees of turn. Ready?
Yep.
Nice. And put her in. Now if you can fit this in, perfect. If you can't, put it in first and then
I think you should be able to.
put the ratchet.
No? It's a
Ooh,
bit
this is-
rusted, that's why I think it's stuck.
Here's some. Just keep a finger on the bolt. See that? So it doesn't fall out. Bro, I think that one is more. I don't think it's a nut back there. Is it a nut?
It's the same thing.
How the heck are we gonna get that? I think you have to take the motor off, bro.
The heat shield. It's got a bunch of screws and nuts and bolts. At least 17s? Come on, be 17s. Alright, they're not 17s. So, do we need to take this off?
They look like 18s.
Somebody has been here before because it's also missing one bolt.
Those fucking squirrels, bro.
What were they trying? Were they trying?
There's the evidence.
What evidence? No, that's not it.
That's a nut.
That's not. That's the wrong nut.
Not the type of nut we're looking for, but it's a nut.
This is
Okay.
possibly an 18 millimeter. We don't know. Break it loose,
Bro, your
like
head
a
is in
real
my
man.
way.
That's broken loose. Now we got another one here.
Bro, how many extensions on the thing you got?
Enough. Okay, there you go.
Nice.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready? You want to count?
3. Yeah, but it's also
So
prevented
this
from
is what it
sticking.
looks like. It's called weight reduction. And that's the other one. It's
Move your hand, please.
It's stripped on the inside. Up, up, up. There you go. This one right there. It's rounded on the inside, but I got the right tools to take it out. And there's another one here. They're hacks or Allen, whatever. Yeah, those are for when the inside head is stripped.
That
This should be able to take this out. 1/4. What does it say? Does it say D peel? 1/4 D peel.
It's called 1/4 inch drill, bro. People looking up on Amazon. DPL 1/4 inch set.
So what this does is, you see the threads? It screws itself in there as you're trying to loosen it.
Yeah.
So then it gets
So
the
you gotta
job
get
done.
that replaced, right? It's actually not
I'm
bad.
all about recycling. I'll reuse it.
Right there. Bro, lift.
Damn, this one is a long one. And
Nice. Oh! I mean, like, throw it outside. Careful. Do you have a trash box?
yeah. Loosen up the exhaust manifold bolts. We got here, here, and over here. One here, and
Where are your knuckle
here,
busters at? Over there?
one here. That's one. Ryobi. Also, you know, please sponsor us. There you go.
Ryobi?
Ryobi's.
Yeah. You're a ride or die Ryobi guy. Get it? It was a pitch. It was a ride or die Ryobi guy. That's our thing.
Can you light it?
That's our thing. By the way.
All right.
Don't tell them we missed one.
No.
Come on. Should be fine. Nope. You need to heat it up. You're crack
No,
it.
you don't need to heat it up. Watch. If it's stuck in there. Bam.
No.
Undo this.
What's that called, Igly?
The breather hose.
And I was laughing. Hey, Audi engineer, like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. Boom,
Alright, so
bam,
Up
boom.
to loosen. There you go. Up to loosen.
Remember, up, like the movie. It's not a sad movie, it's a happy movie.
I don't know about that one.
Yeah, it's kind of like the balloon that we shot down. It's a happy movie.
Alright, this is one of them. That's the second one.
Oh, careful, there's a seal that just fell off.
Yeah, I have a replacement. You need to buy another one of these. And it only goes in one way. He's got that little thing there.
Little lip. Worked. Works smart, not hard.
See that hose goes there.
Why do I gotta do the hard one?
Got it. I'm not a liar. My pants are not on a fire.
Alright, watch out, I got you. This is what you need, bro. This is what you need. Bro, let me just try this one.
That is for
Come on, it's almost there. There you go.
Oh, that was a good amount of. That's fine.
Told you.
Let it drip. Underneath the car, we have to remove the turbo drain line. We have to remove those two lines up there. Clean up the inside of them before you change them. This is probably 5mm Allen. Those are triple squares, both the same size. And you want to disconnect this, the boost controller, and the diverter valve here. After that, might have to disconnect this bracket to help.
I don't know you like that, dude.
It's not creep, bro. All right, is it 5? Is it 5?
Don't lie to me. Yo, can we turn on these fans? Well, that's how it keeps the heat down, because all the heat right now is in the freaking roof.
There you go. That was 1.
Maybe a half hour. Let's get this thing out of here first, so let's earn that pepperoni pizza.
No, no Wendy's.
What about
All right.
Chick-fil-A?
No Chick-fil-A's.
Anything else would be
You like that axe? You should see the machete.
1 pounder?
No. So this is what this looks like, and it's got
Double-sided.
it's got silicone. So whoever, dude, did they replace this turbo before?
Here, if you see it, right here, right, that's
I think they can see
you
it.
got it? Okay.
Yeah. Now I don't want to be here anymore.
I'm fine, dude. I don't know what you're complaining about.
You think
A couple inches.
all of it? You're gonna lose all of it.
It's okay.
Oh, actually, it's more leaning that way, so it's whatever it's up here right now.
Because it's oh, we have them in the trash. Probably...
Let's see if we break this loose. Ah, that is
Where are
loose. Sew. I broke it loose already though. So
Nice.
that's you only get one chance of that. So this is what it looks like.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. It's got holes here, 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 and here.
That's a holy bulb.
He's so. Flathead screwdriver, please.
Flathead screwdriver?
There'll be oil coming out of this. There you go. All right. So up is loose. Let's go up. Hex. I mean, Allen. Use an Allen key, but we're using a what?
Yeah. What do you think?
So it looks something like this. Yeah.
Figure all that while I do this. Oh, you're almost out. You good?
Yeah.
Have a look up and look at it. I think this is holding it in, dude. Not it's holding it, but it's like a channel that it slides in.
Where?
Turn it upside down.
You can rotate it. Yeah.
Catch it. Okay. Oh, nice. How many more does it have? Turn it.
1, 2.
Ay, dude, it's like off by a millimeter. There's a thing.
Wait. Okay.
There you go, it's good, man. That's what she said.
Nights overfallen.
Huh? Oh, it fell.
But where?
Right underneath it.
Wait, let me try something back.
Ow! Fucking A.
It behaves that way because the line is on the way.
Yeah.
But the line is not too important, so.
Slipped. Oh no.
No, it's loose. It's clear. Oh, there's a line here.
Yeah.
What is it? Oh,
Sensor.
there you go. So if you compare this, right, see the movement? If you compare it to the other one, no movement at all, nothing.
Right now, that's where.
So it needs to be cleaned up.
Brake cleaner?
Don't have it.
It's right there.
Where?
You used it. You used it all?
That's degreaser.
Oh. Right, brake cleaner. You want brake cleaner?
Is it full?
Brake parts cleaner.
Oh yeah. But you have to spray it on towel and use it. You can't spray it in there.
Oh,
Let's see what gaskets do I have here.